Prime Minister Narendra Modi has mooted the idea of one nation, one uniform for police. He said this while addressing a Chetan Shiva of state home ministers through video conference. Addressing the first Global Digital Health Summit Expo and Innovation Award, Dr. Singh said that India will become a digital health leader with the best technical manpower and cheapest data in the world. Grievance appellate committees will be set up within 3 months by the government for resolving social media users' grievance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share this thought with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 am tomorrow. India defeated New Zealand 4-3 in the opening game of the FIH Men's Hockey Pro League in Bhubaneswar yesterday.